حر؟
هيدا حر انه
بس اخضر؟ مش حر تفنش؟
finish.
لا حنين اذا بدهم بعد.
You wanna video me?
Video me?
You wanna shoot me? Huh? Make me. I cannot hold. Hi guys, tara samahan niyo ako sa garden ko. Magmuha ako ng gulay, yung pepper gusto ni Mister.
Mister eh. Likes pepper.
Close the door. And ano daw, basal, akdar, yung green. You know how to vlog? Sabi ko,
It's enough you, it's enough.
it's enough me. Yan, just to hold the camera.
We are stupid and high tech.
Ana.
Give me the camera, please. Give me the camera, please. Thank you.
If it's close, just say that. And make it well, not put my head.
يلا شو is that gone?
Because winter na makina.
At all?
Idol small namatay na sila guys. Look what they are dead, Mafi.
لأنه you keep them يا هم. Yo.
Unless I will take piece. Where the one I see? The bus. They are taking. Sorry. Who took it?
Nobody's taking, but they are.
They are dead. Wala na guys. Maliliit na sila. Pag winter, hindi siya okay. Three only I got.
طيب يلا green onion.
Nasaan na ba? Hulog na yung I threw it here. Ayaw. Ito green onion. Meron din. Natira konti. Pagtyagaan. Walang gulay pag winter. No vegetable. Yan. Kunin ko ito pagkain ko kay tata.
Yeah. 2-3 months we must plant more. بس حرام هودي الخس والهيدا الملفوف. They didn't show well. You told me? You told me? You wanted to buy. We bought.
Look, it's flowering now. I don't live pasela. In 3 months, 2 months, they will lie down. But I'm not taking care of them. I just plant them. Yan, nakalas.
I will.
May flower na siya.
I will make something. هلا بعدين.
Yung parsley. You see the parsley? It's good.
I will make something later.
It's okay. We will.
No, I will make something later. Wait. I will bring. هيدا when it's a little bit شو اسمه?
You know, it's nice to remove now. It's easy to.
I will bring هيدا. لا هلا as long as في water they will keep showing. Rain they will keep showing. Next to the door.
Hey,
here.
but you need
will
to
remove
talk
all
to
this.
them, maybe. Kasi tika sa amin tong area, nakikita lang kami. Abandon naman siya.
I will remove it all. I will bring it to make it يعني.
Huwag. Kasi sayang abandon siya
I was talking to Islam. How did they stop here?
Ale.
He put too much money. He has too much money. We stop.
He will not do anymore?
No. He intended to buy even this part.
Really?
Yeah, he would make my fault like that one.
Maybe
Bas,
في problem.
Nabarit mo. No, they are billionaires. يعني it's not the matter of money, but why they stop? ما بعرف.
It's winter, Hancho. kami. Kusa ang niluto ko, guys.
Yalla.
Kusa mashim. Yung zucchini. Prepare ko lang. Ganyan.
New Year pajamas. Have it changed out,
I can change.
I know you can change. بس هلا يعني كيف you dirty لأنه هيدي it's
New.
beige. Go check.
And also it's even different.
بتعرفش.
Okay, look at this.
Ay, naku. Yalla. Nandito ka. Aray ko, Queen. No, Queen. Na-excite si Queen. Yalla, go na there. Yes, you will play with them. Yalla. Iniwan muna namin si Sky. Next ko na pala. Queen! Maano ka na? Give me yun, Haida. Nag-aalala sa dalawang bata. Ganyan dyan eh. Kala niya mapaano sila. Hindi, maglaro lang sila. Halika na. Queen! Your list. Oh. Fix your list. May pusa. Oh. Queen, give me the Haida. Yala, be careful. May aso na naman dun. No. Territory mo ba ito? Hindi ko mo hilain kasi. Wait! Queen, you back! Don't worry! They are okay! Ay, naglalaro siya. Gusto din maglaro. Wait. Yan, halika na. They are here, mommy. Oh my goodness. Paano tayo Mahulog tayo dito. Yes, hindi na tayo dadaan dito mamaya. No, don't worry. Queen, sit down. Sisirain.
I charged it.
Mafi? Maybe it's wrong you put. Yun na si ate naglalaro ng sasakyan. Oh, jump. Queen, sipik. Sirain yung Rico. Ita. Queen, sipik. Queen, stop it. They will not go. Naglalaro lang sila eh. They just playing, Pepe. Akala niya kasi aalis siya yan. Ganyan. It's fall. Hi guys, andito kami. Kasama ko ang aso naming makulit, si Queen. Naglalaro kami ng mga bata. Ay, sila lang palang naglalaro. Yung isa sasakyan, yung isa plane. What's wrong, mommy?
It's not turning on. Mommy,
Maybe it's low, but mama.
No, I charged it yesterday.
Even it's charged.
But sometimes it does that.
The adapter, maybe it's
No, I charged it very well.
try to put again.
Wait, no.
Yung sasakyan. Yalla. Let her smell. So Haida. Let her smell. Yan. Ay, kinagat na niya. No. Queen, it's a car toy. It's a car toy, Queen. Kagatin niya. Agalay. Where? Ala, Queen. Hi, Gwen. It's a toy, mommy. It's a toy. It's a thrill. Gwen, sit down. Sit down. Magagalit na si mommy, ha? Set. Sits. Sits, Gwen. Sits. Nervous ko na naman. Let her smell. Don't move so she will not Haida. She think it's a Haida. That's why. It's a toy, mama. It's a toy, habibi. Toy. Toy, mama. Toy. Don't tease her. Class. Sit down. How about you? Tata, sit down na here. We will sit
My
now.
goodness!
It's good now?
No! It does that sometimes, but not a lot.
Try it.
I'm doing like this, it's not turning.
Pahiin natin, ay paanuhin natin. Ako kulit eh. Ikala niya inaano, pusa. Queen kahabad ka ha, Queen ha. Ayan yung dalawa naglalaro.
I want to know what this was.
Yala, make it fast, yala.
Wait. Yeah, you're gonna destroy the kind of camera.
Don't go next to her, lalo she will scratch.
She's already seeing it. I left it on the cover. Alright, try, mommy.
Wala.
It's nothing for me. Oh wait, no, for us. Ay, subet.
Yala. I will put the sky in, Queen in Haida.
Mommy, look, you can also use this.
Stay here, okay?
You can also use this as to turn.
Okay, I will make her pipi now. You want to make pipi, okay? Hi guys! Kumusta? Busy. Happy New Year sa ating lahat! Anyway, gumagawa ako ng handa namin ngayong New Year. So, andito kasi si Mr. So, kailangan paghandahan. Hindi, ibig kong sabihin. Gagawa ako ng konting pagsasaluhan namin. Kasi nung Christmas Eve, wala siya. So, yung plano namin na Lebanese, tawag ito, yung plano namin ni Mr. na gagawa kami ng tang, hindi natuloy, Lebanese food. So, mix ang gagawin ko. Filipino food and Lebanese food. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang macaroni salad. Nag-macaroni salad ako, pero nag-improvise ako. Kung ano lang yung meron sa akin, yun ang ginawa ko. Hindi na ako pumunta sa Philippine market, ganyan. So, anyway, eto, ginawa ko siya. And meron akong kiwi fresh. And ang tawag nito, nilagyan ko ng apple. Yan, meron akong natira pang bumili ako ng fruit cocktails na maliit, pero hindi siya Filipino fruit cocktails. In can siya. So okay lang 'yan. And nilagyan ko ng kiss. Yung kiwi fresh, yan, isang kiwi. Lagyan ko sana ng papaya, pero hindi ko alam kung baka hindi magustuhan. Ewan ko kung pwede ang papaya sa ano tawag nyo dito, fruit salad o macaroni salad. Tapos lalagyan ko siya ng, i-mix ko na lang. Ito yung gelatin. Ano ito, nilagyan ko ng pandan flavor para magkakulay naman. Hindi kasi para may green na color. Ayan, and then mag-fatire ako kasi gusto ng mga bata. Tapos mag-crab ako bukas at saka shrimp. Yun lang ang pizza. Ayan, maghanda pa ako ng pizza. And then ito yung beetroot, mag-salad ako with roka siguro. Tignan ko kung ano yung maisip kong salad or ano. So, anyway, tapos na itong macaroni salad ko. Ano pa tawag ito? Fruit salad o macaroni salad? Basta kung ano na yung guys. Fresh yung iba kong nilagay na fruits. So, mamaya lalagay ko yung gelatin. Yung, ayan. Ano yan? Gelatin plain. Walang sugar yan, guys. So, ilagay natin dito. So, yun lang. Siya yan. Yung binili namin Korean noodles. Ako tuwang-tuwa siya. How you make Haidayani? You put water?
add water, yeah.
Be careful. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Made in Korea.
It's real!
You need to put more, I think.
No, I don't want too much.
Yeah? It's like this, mom. You put more. No, the Korean noodles na siya yan. Koreans lang lahat.
قلت لك شيء ماشي هي ريحتها كده.
I will go up to فؤاد شوي.
Le? Fish. Magkakain ng Korean noodles.
The first time. I only see it the first time.
Mag-chopstick pa. Hindi pa ata luto, anak. You need to put more water.
I don't want.
Mag-chopstick pa daw siya. Ano. Tignan yung namamatay siya sa Korean noodles. Mahilig talaga sa noodles ito. Tuwang-tuwa siya nakakita ng Korean noodles.
This is so bad.
Yummy! It's hot ito. Buldak. Ang ano niya, hot is spicy.
We could get the pack. I wish I got the other one coming. It was two left. I got this one.
Korean kamen?
Yeah, same. If you come in a black one. But I must be the black one.
Be careful your clothes. That's it. Make your hair like that.
طيب يا تيتا بس يمكن هيدي بدها تتركيها شوي بالمي لتعمل.
You need to put more, mama.
I did.
مش دغري تاكلي.
But then you need
4
to...
minutes.
4 minutes? You need to add more water.
مشان بدها تيتا تعمل تفتح
Be
شوي.
careful, mama. It will fall. Excited.
ولا كل هالقد
Hey, أول مرة. I didn't expect it to
بس
come
بدها
into
يمكن تيتا
Lebanon.
شوي بعد مشان تفتح المعكرونة.
You see in the internet, يعني?
ما شو اسمه I didn't expect this Korean noodles will come to Lebanon.
Wala, fi.
هلا لكن
tignan,
مش
samyang
مكتوب
siya.
عليها مش مكتوب عليها كيف تستعمليهم تيتا.
بلا.
ايه ما بدها شوي تخليها بالمي.
ايه
تركيها.
4 دقايق.
ايه خليها عملتيها 4 يمكن بدها اكثر.
Samyang pala ito, guys. Samyang. Wait, buldak siya. Carbonara. Buldak. Korea.
Look, it's made here. Here, proof.
Korea daw.
That's proof. Proof.
Tuwang-tuwa siya sa noodles ng Korea. Tignan ko bukas dito sa
ما في.
Pi?
No. This is the
The real
yeah.
Korean.
في black one كمان. بس
okay.
ما في the black. It was the pink one, so I got it.
Hi guys! Yun, nagluluto na ako ng... nire-rate ko pala ito. Ito pala yung gawa kong homemade salsa ng pizza. Ayan. Nirehit ko lang. Naka-ref ito. Ganyan. So, ay, ayan. Tapos na pala ako. Ito, tatlong tray ito. Nasa baba yung isa. Malaki. At tapos ito. Tapos yan. And then, may extra kasi siya. And wala na akong panglagyan. Lutuin ko na kasi mga anak ko. Paulit-ulit silang, pabalik-balik silang pumunta dito. Ito yung excess pala. Sa, ito. Gawin ko na kasi konti lang naman. Sakto yung ginawa kong circle na malilit, guys. Ganyan. Parehas lang yung ingredients. Yan. Tapos, guys, and gusto ko nung magpahinga, sabi ng biran ko, hindi ka pa tapos. Kaninang umaga pa kasi ako nakatayo, sabi ko, tapusin ko lang ito, magpapahinga na ako kasi sabi niya, kanina ka pa, magpahinga ka muna. Sakit na nga ng likod ko, guys, dito sa balikat kong sakit-sakit. Kaya gusto ko mag-shower ng mainit na tubig. So, tapusin ko na lang ito and then, magpahinga na ako. Wala naman kasing gagawa, guys. Alangan naman yung biyanan ko. Masakit din yung likod niya. Hindi pwedeng magtayo-tayo. At saka mas gusto ko kasing i-prepare ang pagkain. Mabilis akong mag-prepare. Basta walang makikialam yung walang nandito sa kusina. Matatapos ko talaga. Yan, tapos na yung attire. Gulo-gulo ng kusina ko, guys. Pasensya. So, ilagay ko na ito sa ref at bukas lulutuin namin. Lulutuin ko. Okay. Yung pizza. Ito, oh. Sarap to. I-try nga natin. Kain tayo. Sarap. Very crunchy. Mabili ang pizza ko, guys.
Some a lot of mushrooms, please. I want mushrooms, please.
Okay. Dati ayaw niya ng mushroom. Ngayon, gustong-gusto na niya daw.
First, I didn't like mushrooms. Now I like mushrooms because they taste like
Be careful, be careful.
because they taste like nothing, like just nothing.
Very
Like
nice.
rice.
Very healthy.
Like rice because
Be
they
careful,
taste
careful.
nothing.
Okay, tapos na siya So, Happy New Year sa ating lahat. Prosperous New Year. And kita-kits sa susunod. At thank you pala sa time nyo guys na alam ko na busy kayong lahat sa pagsalubong sa bagong taon. May nagkamali pa ako sa sinabi ko yung medianoche dapat. Sabi ko na Chubena. Pasensya po, sorry. Anyway, i-end ko na itong vlog namin ngayong araw. And maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. Kahit alam kong busy kayo, binibigyan nyo pa rin kami ng time para manood sa aming vlog. Mag-ingat kayo lagi and God bless you all. Kita-kits guys. Good night.